Okay children, so I have explained you what do you mean by prime factorization, how to do the prime factorization of a number. Now our next step is, and in previous class I showed you what do we mean by highest common factor, what is the meaning of highest common factor. Now today we will be studying how to find HCF using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization. This method is very easy. You have done it last year also. So I hope it will not be difficult for you. Let me show you with the help of an example. Suppose we have numbers 12, 16 and let us take 20. We have to find the highest common factors of these three numbers using prime factorization method. What we will do, we will separately do the prime factorization of all these three numbers. We will do the prime factorization of 12. 12 is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 6 is also divisible by 2. So 2 3s are, and 3 is divisible by 3 only. So 3 1s are 3. This is the prime factorization of 12. Now let's do the prime factorization of 16. 16 is also divisible by 2. So 2, 8 gives us 16. Again 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 is also divisible by 2. And lastly we get 2. So 2 1s are 2. This is all. Now we will do the prime factorization of 20. Let's go for it. 20 is divisible by 2. It is an even number. So 10 times. 10 is also divisible by 2. And then lastly 5 ones are 5. These are three different prime factorizations of three different numbers. Now we have to find the HCF of all these three numbers. So what we will do children, we will write the prime factors of all the three numbers separately. Prime factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And prime factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Now to find the HCF children, we will take only those prime factors which are there in all the three. In 12 also, 16 also and 20 also. And the numbers which are not there in all the three we will leave. So see, this 2 is there in 12 also. It is there in 16 also, and it is there in 20 also. So this 2 is common in all the three. So we will take this 2. Then next number is again 2. This 2 is here also, it is here also, and it is here also. So this 2 also we will take. Now see children, this 3 is here, but it is neither in 16 nor 20. So this 3 we will leave. Here these 2 are there, but the now 2 is neither in 12 nor in 20. And 5 is only in 20, it is not in 12 and 16. So all these numbers we will leave. Means we will take only those numbers which are there in all the three numbers. Only those factors we will take. So this 2 is common in all and this 2 is common in all. So we will take only these two. So HCF of 12, 16 and 20 is 2 2s are 4. I hope this sum is clear to you children. Let me show you another example. Let us take numbers 36 and 48. Let us go for this. Now we will do the prime factorization of 36. This is an even number, so obviously it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is no more divisible by 2, so we will go to 3. 3 3s are 9. and 3 ones are 3. So these are the prime factors of 36. Now we will go for 48. 48 by 2 we will divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 times 12, 2 3 times 6 and 3 ones are 3. So these are the prime factors of 48. Now let us write them separately. Prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And factors of 48 are prime factors. In fact, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 times we will write 2. And lastly, this 3. Now to find the HCF, what we have to do? We will take only those factors which are there in both of them. So see, this 2 is there in both of them. So this 2 we will take. This 2 is also there in both of them. So this 2 we will take. Now here there is no 2 anymore. So we will leave these 2's. Now this 3 is here also and here also. So we will take 3. Now this 3 is only in 36. It is not in 48. So only these 3 factors are common in both of them. So our final HCF is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the highest common factor of 36 and 48 is 12. This is how we have to find, children. I hope it is clear to you. Even after that, if you have any doubt, please ask me. I'll try to sort it out. Thank you, children.